Hi, this is Deborah Harris here. I'm bringing to you another tip about creditor days. Creditor days are a cash flow lever, and creditor days really is referring to how long it takes you to pay your suppliers. The longer it takes you to pay the suppliers, the longer the money is hanging around in your own business. But keep in mind you need to balance that with making sure that you pay your suppliers on time, because you could risk your chain of supply, or you could risk not getting great terms for your supply. And a typical supply period will be around, or creditor days period will be around the 45 to 60 days mark for many businesses, but if you're a cash-based business, it will be much closer to 0 days. So our tip of the day is, if your product is a component for your customer, negotiate that the end customer is responsible for the supply of and the payment for the materials. So here's an example of that. I produce a widget that is part of a widget machine for my customer. So to create the widget, I need widget iron, and my customer organises with my supplier to pay for the widget iron to be delivered to my premises so that I can make the widget for their widget product. So that is how you look at negotiating so that your end customer is responsible for the supply chain, and therefore it doesn't take your cash flow. Keep in mind that if they don't actually then run on time, that you may not have the product there when you need it, and it may impact your delivery schedule. So that's been a cash flow lever tip for creditor days.